बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल लर्निंग कॉटेज। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बेसिक वर्सेस एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश करेंगे। अगर बात की जाए बेसिक इंग्लिश की तो हम में से बहुत सारे लोग बेसिक इंग्लिश यूज़ करते हैं डेली रूटीन में। तो आज हम एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश की तरफ चलते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। कीप इन्फॉर्मिंग मी, इसकी जगह आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं keep me in the loop. Keep informing me. Keep me in the loop. I am extremely tired. I am worn out. I am extremely tired. I am worn out. Time passes quickly. Time flies. Time passes quickly. Time flies. Are you mad? Are you out of your mind? Are you mad? Are you out of your mind? I'll say nothing. I'll zip my lips. I'll say nothing. I'll zip my lips. Sing with me. Sing along. Sing with me. Sing along. It's time to study. It's time to hit the books. It's time to study. It's time to hit the books. Behave properly. Behave yourself. Behave properly. Behave yourself. I'm leaving. I'm off. I'm leaving. I'm off. I'm interested in it. I'm into it. I'm interested in it. I'm into it. I'm very busy. I'm swamped. I'm very busy. I'm swamped. I'm going to sleep. I'm off to bed. I'm going to sleep. I'm off to bed. I'm listening. I'm all ears. I'm listening. I'm all ears. I'm very hungry. I'm famished. I'm very hungry. I'm famished. Let's start. Let's kick off. Let's start. Let's kick off. It's not difficult. It's not rocket science. It's not difficult. It's not rocket science. She is very angry. She is pissed off. She is very angry. She is pissed off. Open the door. Answer the door. Open the door. Answer the door. Can I come tomorrow? Can I drop by tomorrow? Can I come tomorrow? Can I drop by tomorrow? It's time to sleep. It's time to hit the hay. It's time to sleep. It's time to hit the hay. It's not finished. It's not over. It's not finished. It's not over. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Allah Hafiz.